Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's smallest desktop computer, the Mac Mini, is about to get a major brain upgrade. The M5 Mac Mini is on the horizon, and the leaks are piling up. We're talking next-gen M5 chip performance, insane connectivity upgrades, and even whispers of a pro-level version that could rival the Mac Studio. All in a box you could fit in your backpack. Today we're breaking down everything we know, the spec leaks, the possible release date, price predictions, and why the M5 Mac Mini could be one of Apple's most important launches in years. What we know so far, the Mac Mini has always been a quiet hero in Apple's lineup. While MacBooks and iMacs get all the flashy marketing, the Mini has been the affordable powerhouse, a compact machine capable of editing video, running complex code, and handling high-end creative workflows, all starting under $700. The current M4 Mac Mini, launched in 2024, already gave us a taste of what Apple Silicon can do in such a small form factor. But the M5 generation? It's rumored to push performance and efficiency to new heights. Multiple supply chain sources in Asia have suggested that Apple has already begun M5 chip testing for desktop form factors. Industry insiders believe the M5 Mac Mini could be unveiled in late 2025, potentially during Apple's October Mac event, which is historically when they announce desktop updates. However, some reports point to an early 2026 release. If Apple wants to synchronize the M5 chip launch across both desktops and laptops, this would mirror their past strategy, where chips like the M2 debuted in MacBooks first before making their way to the Mini. Specs and performance leaks: the M5 chip expected to be built on TSMC's enhanced 3nm plus process, offering up to 20% better performance and 30% improved efficiency over the M4. We could be looking at up to 12 CPU cores and 40 GPU cores in the top-tier configurations. Pro-level variant, several sources hint that Apple might finally offer an M5 Pro Mac Mini. This could be the Mini's first real jump into high-end creative and professional workloads without needing to buy a Mac Studio. AI and machine learning upgrades: Apple is pushing on device AI harder than ever. Expect a next-gen neural engine that can handle complex AI tasks, from real-time video effects to advanced coding assistance, without sending data to the cloud. Connectivity: Thunderbolt 5 support is rumored, which could mean 80 gigabits per second bandwidth for ultra-fast external drives, eGPUs, and high-resolution multi-monitor setups. Wi-Fi 7 is also on the table, ensuring future-proof networking speeds. RAM and storage: baseline models could start with 16 gigabytes unified memory and 512 gigabytes SSD, with configurable options up to 64 gigabytes RAM and 8 terabytes SSD. If these specs hold true, the M5 Mac Mini could blur the lines between consumer and professional desktops in a way we've never seen from Apple. Price predictions: the M4 Mac Mini currently starts at $699 USD for the base model, which is one of the best values in Apple's lineup. If Apple keeps the same starting point, it could make the M5 Mac Mini a no-brainer upgrade for creatives and developers. However, the M5 Pro Mac Mini could break into $1,199, $1,299 territory, especially if it comes with more RAM, faster storage, and higher GPU counts. Historically, Apple has been careful not to push the Mac Mini too close to the Mac Studio's $1,999 starting price, so expect them to maintain a comfortable gap. That said, with the rumored performance boost, the Pro variant could be one of the best price-to-performance ratios in Apple's entire desktop range. Why this launch matters first? It proves that small form-factor computers can still deliver workstation-level power. Apple is doubling down on making compact machines capable of heavy-duty professional work, and if the M5 Pro variant exists, it could attract high-end users who don't want a Mac Studio or Mac Pro. Second, this launch could signal a shift in Apple's desktop lineup strategy. The Mac Mini could become Apple's most versatile machine, appealing to students, developers, video editors, and even AI researchers thanks to the new neural engine upgrades. Finally, it positions Apple as the leader in efficient, high-performance desktop computing. Competitors like Intel, UCS, and mini PCs from ASUS and HP have tried to compete on size. But Apple's vertical integration of hardware and software gives them a major edge. So there you have it, the M5. Mac Mini might just be the most exciting small desktop launch we've seen in years. From M5 chip power to pro-level variants, Thunderbolt 5, and possibly Wi-Fi 7, this compact powerhouse could redefine what we expect from Apple's smallest Mac. But the big question is, will Apple deliver everything the leaks are promising? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're as hyped for the M5 Mac Mini as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next Apple leak deep dive.